In this video, we show how to replace the power supply in a PowerEdge R6715. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the power supply, press the orange release lever and pull straight out of the system. To install a power supply, align it with the back of the chassis and slide it all the way in until it clicks into place. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6715, visit dell.com/support.